You should know about this animal. It's called the pistol shrimp, and it may just be one of the most unbelievable creatures on the planet. At first glance, it looks harmless, tiny, maybe even kind of cute. But don't let that size fool you. This shrimp has a super weapon built into its body, a snap claw that can unleash destruction like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Here's how it works. The pistol shrimp has one oversized claw. It doesn't use it to pinch or grab. Instead, it snaps it shut at insane speeds, creating a jet of water that shoots out at over 100 kilometers per hour. That alone is impressive. But what happens next is pure madness. That water jet creates something called a cavitation bubble. This bubble forms and collapses so quickly that it momentarily reaches temperatures of over 4,700 degrees Celsius. That's actually hotter than the surface of the sun. And the sound? Around 218 decibels. That's louder than a gunshot, louder than a jet engine, and loud enough to stun or kill small prey instantly. That's why this little shrimp is also called the snapping shrimp, because the sound of its claw can dominate underwater soundscapes. In fact, in some areas of the ocean, the snapping of pistol shrimp claws is so loud that it disrupts sonar equipment used by submarines. So basically, this shrimp is out here casually jamming military-grade technology. But wait, it gets better. Some species of pistol shrimp live in colonies and even form symbiotic relationships with other animals. One of the coolest partnerships? With the goby fish. The shrimp is nearly blind, but it's a great digger. The goby fish, on the other hand, has sharp eyesight, so they team up. The shrimp builds and maintains a shared burrow, and the goby acts as the lookout. If danger comes, the goby signals with a flick of its tail, and both retreat into safety. Nature doesn't just make powerful weapons, it creates alliances. But here's what really blows scientists' minds. The way this shrimp generates heat, sound, and shockwaves all through water has inspired military engineers and physicists. Researchers are studying the claw's mechanics to design underwater propulsion systems, implosion-based energy tech, and even weaponry based on similar fluid dynamics. So the next time you look at a shrimp, don't just think of sushi or tempura. Think of a creature that redefines what's possible in the animal kingdom. Small, silent, deadly. The pistol shrimp might not be the king of the ocean, but it's definitely one of the most fascinating creatures that ever lived. And now you know!